Creating engaging animated cartoon videos is now easier than ever with Vidnos, a powerful AI-driven platform. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, Vidnos simplifies the animation process, making it accessible to all. Follow these simple steps to create your animated cartoon masterpiece in just minutes. Step 1. Sign up for Vidnos. Start by visiting Vidnos and creating your free account. Once registered, you'll gain access to an intuitive dashboard designed for both beginners and experts. Step 2. Select an animation template. Vidnos offers a wide range of animation templates tailored for various themes, including educational, storytelling, and promotional content. Choose a template that fits your project. Step 3. Customize your characters. Vidnos' AI-powered character creator allows you to design unique cartoon characters. You can adjust their appearance, including facial features, clothing, and accessories. Choose dynamic poses and expressions to make them stand out. Step 4. Script your video. Write your story or dialogue directly in Vidnos' script editor. If you're unsure of what to write, the built-in AI assistant can help you generate creative ideas and dialogue, ensuring your cartoon video has a compelling narrative. Step 5. Add voiceovers and sound effects. Enhance your video by integrating AI-generated voiceovers or uploading your own recordings. Vidnos provides a library of professional voice options and background music to match the mood of your video. Step 6. Animate your story. Once your script and characters are ready, Vidnos' AI engine animates everything for you. You can adjust the timing, transitions, and movements to perfect the flow of your cartoon video. Step 7. Preview and finalize. Review your animated video in the preview window. Make any necessary tweaks to ensure it's just right. Once satisfied, click Export to render your video in high quality. Step 8. Share your creation. Vidnos lets you download your video in multiple formats, ready for sharing on YouTube, Instagram, or any other platform. With Vidnos, creating high-quality animated cartoons is fast, fun, and stress-free, whether it's for entertainment, education, or marketing. This tool empowers you to bring your creative vision to life. Try it today and watch your ideas come alive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.